Hello guys, welcome once again. President Muhammadu Buhari unveils Nigeria at 60 logo. President Muhammadu Buhari unveils Nigeria at 60 logo at a virtual FEC meeting. And Nigerians, in their usual manner, have reacted to this. Abbasman said, after more than half a century, what have we gained? Will we keep living this way? People think he is stupid when agitating for a place for his people in the Niger Delta. We, with different language, have stayed more peaceful together than people who speak the same language. After over 50 years of feeding the nation, this is what we get as thank you below. They kill us if we complain. We are ourselves to defend our ancestral waters, but a foreign tribe, deadly that they label us, call us militants. We lose fishing grounds and useful land every day, but no one cares. I have seen so many things in my life, and I will never stop till I get freedom for my people. This is a man who is wailing due to the fact that the Niger Delta people have been left to suffer owing to the fact that oil which is being drilled from their place has caused more harm than good. Flying Pig wrote, then suppose they mourn on that day, there would have been far more development if the British had been ruling us since 1960 till today. Oh, Bro for you said, we deserve to know how much was borrowed to design the logo, or if the funding was done through another Chinese loan. Let there be transparency for once. Danny wrote, 60 years of penury, 60 years of hardship, 60 years of steady backwardness, 60 years of tyranny, 60 years of suffering, 60 years of pain, 60 years of confusion, 60 years of all the bad things you can think of. Yet, they would celebrate mediocrity in a few days to come. Vision 2020 has failed. Now we look forward to Vision 2050, which is still bound to fail as far as the present leadership of the nation is concerned. King Pele wrote, give us development, sir. Give us steady power, good healthcare system, and good roads. We will even celebrate Nigeria at 100 in year 2022 if you give us all these things. King G.B. Sky wrote, Nigeria is a self-enslaved country. The Fulani has made it so. They wanted a national party to champion their goal. Now they have APC. I pity Tinubu. A shame for the country. Tunji Lee wrote, what's the essence of beautifying the logo when 90% of the populace barely feed 3 square meals a day? This present administration has plundered the nation into the poverty capital of the world. Crims wrote, sad 60 years, nothing to celebrate in this country. We only have hunger, sickness, greed, corruption, and insecurity. A man who is sick will first cure himself before celebrating anything. So Nigeria, cure yourself first. Well, Marx wrote something that is contrary, saying, God bless President Muhammadu Buhari. God bless Nigeria. Okay. Kusha wrote, logo that indicates poverty and corruption. Another person wrote, that is Arewa wrote, Nigeria at 60 with nothing to show. Okay. Kingsley wrote, this man's intention is to scatter ground for the incoming president. And this is intention will never work together when poverty is the president of our nation. Social Justice wrote, this celebration is unnecessary. Soon we hear 200 million naira was spent for logo consultancy. 20 billion naira spent on October 1st celebrations. That's how Nigeria is. Falsey wrote, what exactly is wrong with this country? So what we have achieved over the years is just a mere logo. Nigeria at 60 and logo is the highlight of all. Lexoft wrote, you people will never appreciate good thing for once. Say something good to your country so that it can be well with you. Boo boo, you try. Hey, Bike Fab wrote, Buhari, you also have to unveil the face of the bandits and terrorists causing mayhem under your watch. Do this and we'll be happy with you. Renegade wrote, how many $1 million was budgeted for the design of this logo, like the invisible Nigeria Air logo? And many people have been waiting to hear the amount of billions used in designing the logo. Okay? Charlosky wrote, you better throw that stupid logo away. Soon we would hear they spent 10 billion naira on celebrating mediocrity, poverty, and infrastructural decay that has taken over our country. What on earth is wrong with us as a people? There is no money we are borrowing to build basic infrastructures such as roads, yet you want to have an elaborate celebration in your independence. Wow. And then someone else said something. He said, sometimes I get confused when people are shouting, keep Nigeria together. Nigeria has never been together since I was born. It's only the elites that are always together whenever they are sharing the national resources. No Gragra wrote a very long one saying, together call forever and me. Abeg, Odua and Biafra loading. This is what we are saying. Yoruba, what else do you need to begin to take control of your land? God has finally taken charge of these affairs. The Omalis of Yoruba land, Hausa, Fulani, and Igbo must take note that they will all be swept away as well by this wind of change moving all over the world. Yoruba can go in peace by first declaring unequivocally that Buhari must be removed as he is running an illegitimate government of an expired, non-existent entity called Nigeria since 2015. All must remember that Nigeria ceases to exist since 2014, exactly 100 years of amalgamation facade, which was created by the British government for their sole selfish financial gain. By my calculation, 6 years has elapsed since this amalgamation has long been overdue. And Yomoluabi, what are you waiting for? This is one of the reasons Babawa Chief Obafemi Awolowo gave us the most important thing, which is education. We need it now. We need to send delegates of trusted elders, not Tinubu, and a retinue of grounded, trustworthy lawyers to sit with the British government and argue out our sovereignty, which is long overdue. Then the positive outcome from this engagement will then move us to UN to submit our sovereign wish for self-determination. After UN positive approval, we must begin to put structures in place to actualize Oduduwa nation. That the unruly people of the North will not fight. They will want to. So we must not, and he started speaking Yoruba, if they try anything, we must be decisive with no mercy. Lobatan, the rest will take wisdom. But this is the only way we can get the Oduduwa nation without fear of bloodletting. So guys, Nigerians have continued to react to this, but this is where we are going to stop for today. If you have anything to say concerning this, please drop your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.